I was gifted this cold press juicer and I am so impressed. Not only does it do juice, it does sorbet, it does nut milk. Stick around and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to assemble. I'm going to show you how easy or how the juice production works. I've used it for things like apples, cucumbers, lemon. I've used it for oranges, grapefruit. The quality, the amount of output, I've been super impressed with. Not only that, I will show you how easy it is to take apart and clean. So stick around and I will show you how to put it together next. Everything is very well marked. It's either got a dot or an arrow so that you know that you are lining it up properly. The back of the item here has an arrow, as does the back of the machine, so that you know you're putting it on the right way. The juicing side does have a stopper, but I'm just going to line up the arrows and I'm going to put this in. Then I'm going to put the auger into the bottom. It just slips right in. I'm going to make juice, so I've got the juice blade on. If I wasn't, I would use this one for sorbet. The blade is not sharp. And this just lines up as well. There's an arrow. And it's just got to be in down enough. The lid does need to be open in order to slip on. There is markings on the side and you just have to line that up. And that's how easy it is to assemble. I will show you how to make juice next. Nice and wide, it holds a lot. You can see what I just poured in there. This is where the juice comes out. There is a little spot to keep the foam, and this is where the remnants come out, and you'll see how dry they are. So I'm just going to put it on nice and quiet. The juice is already coming out on that side. There's a little spout here you need to have lifted up. This is coming out very dry. That's how pressed it is. You just lift this entire thing off the base and I'll bring it to the sink. To take it apart, you do need the lid open, and then you can slide the top off and you can just wash it with soap and water. Just like that. And you can just pull out the auger. So everything can just be washed very easily with soap and water. There's a little rubber thing here, and it does come with a little cleaning brush as well. But everything is very easy to get clean. If you are looking for a new cold press juicer, I do not think you'll be disappointed. Definitely give this one a try.